Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can update to the latest version of Metro 2055 application on your Android device. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. This can be done on your Android devices, whether you are using a mobile device or a tablet. Now go to the search icon and in the search bar type in Metro 2055 and search. Once you find this application, check if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on update to download the latest version of the app. You can also enable auto update for the application so that the app updates automatically whenever the latest version is available. Go to the top right corner and tap the three dots and make sure that you've checked on this enable auto update button to enable the auto update for the app. Once you update the app, you'll be able to get the latest version of the app on your device. Then you can play with the latest release, which often comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. So that's how you successfully update Metro 2055 like a pro. You can now enjoy smoother gameplay, fewer bugs, and possibly new features too. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.